Now let's go ahead and dive into the user experience of this bottle. Turn it around and you will spot the USB Type-C charging port. Remember to fully charge your bottle upon arrival. It may take a little bit of time, between 1 to 2 hours, but it'll be worth it to make sure you have a full battery and get your hydration in. Turn your generator to the front side and you will spot the digital display and the activation button. Holding down your activation button for 2 seconds will start your 5-minute cycle, and tapping it again will start your 10-minute cycle. Keep your eye on the display. It'll keep you in the loop on the cycle time. Let's break it down. There are 3 pieces to this hydrogen puzzle: the generator, the bottle, and the lid. The generator is the part of the bottle that produces the hydrogen gas via the PEM-SPE water electrolysis. The hydrogen gas is produced and dissolved into the drinking water, whereas the oxygen is off-gassed or expelled from a pinhole at the bottom of the generator. Screw the bottle snugly to the generator and seal the deal with the lid. The bottle's lid comes with an awesome passive pressure release valve, which ensures that the bottle does not generate too much pressure. Now, let's make some high concentration hydrogen-rich water. Pour in your preferable drinking water into the bottle and fill it up to the bottom of the threads. Twist on the lid tightly and then activate your desired cycle time. Once it's running, do not remove the lid during the cycle time. When it's done, open the bottle and drink it quickly within 10 to 15 minutes. For best practices, pour the water gently into a glass before consumption. There's so much more where this comes from. If this video interests you, make sure you check out our full review of this product. At H2 Hub, we review all kinds of hydrogen therapy products, so be sure to subscribe to H2 Hub to check out our other reviews.